Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Shaquita if you're new to my channel, and please feel free to subscribe. So let's get started with this video. I've already set my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And now using my Juvia's Masquerade palette. I've used the shade Zula, Ada, and Burkina, and now cutting my lid with the LA Girl shade Fawn Concealer. To the concealer, I'm now applying the shade Giza. Next, I will be applying the shade Casablanca and then Dahia. Always make sure you go back and blend those shades together. Applying a wing liner using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Applying my lashaholic lashes in the style Instaglam, and with tweezers pressing together my lashes and the false. Getting ready for the face, wiping it clean with a baby wipe or any wipe of your choice. Now I will be priming the face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Whip Body Balm. I love this for the face because it leaves the face moisturized but not causing a slip and allowing your face to look nice and dewy. And then after that, I am going to go in with my Maybelline New York matte and poreless foundation in both shades 360 and 375. Applying the shade 375 to the outer parts of my face, and then applying the shade 360 to the inner. And then I will be going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette, and I will be grabbing that Sculpt shade, and then also applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Once I do that, I'm going to go in with my NYX number 3 brush, and I am going to blend. I am going to start brushing that foundation, and then I am going to go in with my Maybelline sponge, and then I'm going to go and make sure everything is blended all together. And as you can see, I'm adding the darker shade to the outer parts to sculpt my face, and because I have a full face, just basically applying shape and dimension to the face. And then I'm going to apply the lighter shade on the inner parts, basically casting the light. And these are the points where I want the light to shine on my face to give the appearance that I have a smaller face. And for this part, when using a brush, FYI, you just want to apply tapping motions, but also pressing the product into your skin. That way that helps to give a more blended look. And I like to blend out my concealer first, and then go ahead and buffing the contour shade after, which is that shade in 375. And once everything is blended out with my Maybelline sponge, I'm going to go ahead and set the highlighted areas with my CoverGirl Clean Professionals loose powder in the shade Translucent Tawny. And then set the darker shade with my Black Radiance True Complexion medium to dark palette, and I'm going to use that contour shade. When setting your concealer, you want to make sure that you press the powder into the concealer. That helps the longevity of your makeup throughout the day. And then usually I go in with a clean brush and just wipe away any excess powder. After this, I am going to use my Milani Baked Blush in the shade Corallina, and then to the Masquerade palette for blush with the shade Zobo in Abba. And right here is where I cut my cheek, as we call it. Once I add that Milani Baked Blush, it's going to add to my makeup a nice sheen. And you want to add it to the high points of your face. And just blending out that nose contour. The exact shades that I added in my crease, I am now going to apply to my lower lid. And I forgot to add that to deepen my crease. I used my Sacha powder blush in the shade Matte Brown, and I'm going to also bring that to my lower lid. To thicken up my lashes, my lower lashes, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. And while that's drying, I'm going to go to the lips using my Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick in the shade Crucifix. Applying that lipstick to the outer parts of my lips, and then my Maybelline Color Sensation Nude Lipstick in the shade Truffle Tease to the inner parts of my lips. You want to rub your lips together to get it nice and blended. And now using my IT Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. For my inner corner highlight, I am going to use my Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. Melting away the powder with setting spray with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And that is it for today's video. Happy Thanksgiving, beauties, and I hope you enjoy. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. And thank you so much again. See you next time. Bye.